Maha Cartoon TV.
Like every day, once again Rohan came home late. There was nothing to eat, and even the maid had taken off, due to which there was no food in the house. At the same time, Rohan was also feeling very hungry. Then only he thought. Then suddenly when Rohan wakes up to drink water, so he looked at the floor near the door of his house, where he saw the pizza delivery leaflet.
Oh man, it is rightly said that if you want something from your heart, then the whole world gets it for you. What's the matter? Even the pizza is getting cheaper here. Now I will order pizza from here only.
Rohan picked up his phone and called the pizza shop and started ordering his pizza.
Yeah, hello sir. I would like to order a large size pizza.
Sir, you will get your pizza in 15 minutes. You just tell us your address.
Rohan heard on the call that the pizza would be delivered in just 15 minutes, which he was surprised to hear and asked over the phone.
Yeah, please note down the address. But tell me one thing, as I have seen, pizza is delivered in half an hour. But how are you delivering in 15 minutes in advance?
When Rohan asked this question, there was no response from the other side. On hearing this, Rohan felt strange, but he ignored it.
Leave it. Anyway, why should I be bothered? My only advantage is to get pizza in 15 minutes. This is an amazing offer, and today I will not have to sleep hungry.
Rohan was waiting for his order of pizza. After waiting for some time, suddenly the doorbell rang at the door. After hearing the doorbell, Rohan opened the door. The pizza delivery boy was standing just there.
Sir, you have ordered for large size pizza. Here is your large size pizza.
Hey, thanks. How much for this? What do you mean?
Saying this, the delivery boy started moving towards Rohan, and then he changed his appearance. Rohan got very scared to see such a terrible form of that delivery boy, and in no time the delivery boy killed Rohan. Actually, that pizza delivery guy was a ghost who finds his prey on the pretext of delivering pizza and kills him. This time, he made Rohan his prey. After killing Rohan, the delivery boy was now looking for a new victim. Several days passed like this, but the delivery boy did not find any victim of his own. But one day, something happened suddenly. One day, a girl named Sneha came to live in a PG, and she was talking to the PG mistress. "Hello auntie, I'm Sneha. I have come here to stay in your PG. I talked to you about this."
Yes. I remember. Come in.
"Yes auntie."
Did you face any problem in finding the house?
"No auntie, there was no problem. Auntie, take this advance rent."
Thank you, daughter. Come, sit. Let me bring water.
After drinking water, Sneha went to see her room with PG mistress. After that, she kept all her belongings and went to the kitchen with the mistress.
Daughter, this is the kitchen. So my daughter has arranged a tiffin service for me. If you say, so I can talk to the tiffin service for you.
"Oh no auntie, what are you saying? Don't apologize to me. Don't worry, I will cook by myself."
Okay, daughter. Tell me if you want anything else, huh?
"Okay auntie." Having said this, both of them left the kitchen. It's been 1 week that Sneha, who came to PG, and everything was going well. She would come from the office every day and pray before eating food, then eat the food. But one day, Sneha got very late coming from the office. She lay down and she did not make anything to eat. but she did not want to disturb PG Mistress too. Thinking all this, she started getting upset. And then she saw a paper near the door of the house. That paper was about a pizza delivery service, which Rohan had also made pizza orders. Sneha rang the number which was written on the paper.
Yes, ma'am. What do you want to order?
Yes, sir. I want a medium-sized pizza and a cold drink as well.
Okay, madam. Your address, please.
Please note down the address.
Sneha told her address.
Ma'am, your order will arrive in 15 minutes.
She was surprised to hear the pizza delivery person after the call was disconnected. Hey, this is great! So cheap pizza and above all, so quick delivery. In today's world, it is a very good deal. Speaking of this, Sneha went to her room and started praying like every day. Then only the bell rang. After hearing the sound, she opened the door. The pizza delivery boy was standing there.
Ma'am, your order. Medium-sized pizza with cold drink.
How much for this?
This order is free for you, ma'am. No need for it.
Saying this, the delivery boy started moving towards Sneha and he changed his appearance. Seeing such a terrible form of that delivery boy, Sneha got very scared. He attacked Sneha, but when he saw Jesus Christ locket on Sneha's neck, he fell away.
This time you escaped, but I will come back again to kill you.
Saying that, the pizza delivery ghost ran away. Sneha got scared after this incident happened with her and started waiting for the morning. Early in the morning, she went to the pastor and started telling the pastor all about the terrible incident that happened with her. The pastor said after listening to her,
Don't worry, Sneha. Trust Jesus. He will fix everything. Just be careful and don't remove this locket from your neck because he will definitely come back. Just take care of yourself.
Okay, Father.
I will definitely come to cleanse your house with the holy water.
Thank you, Father. Sneha left after telling the pastor about the incident that happened with her. It had been a long time, but she does not have any idea about the pizza delivery ghost. Looks like the pizza delivery ghost is scared. Now he won't come here. Suddenly, Sneha got a call from her friend, and she said that she's coming to meet Sneha. After talking to a friend on the call, don't know why, she took out the locket and went to take a bath. When Sneha came out after taking a bath, she found her friend Rashmi standing in the drawing room. She was surprised to see her. Hey Rashmi, you came so soon.
Yes, I finished my work early in the office today.
Office? Today? Today is Sunday and it is a holiday. Before Sneha could say anything else, Rashmi's color started changing and she became that same pizza delivery ghost.
Sneha, look like you didn't recognize me. I am the same pizza delivery ghost.
Please leave me. What I've done to you? Sneha trembled with fear because now her locket was not even in her neck. She could not understand anything what she should do now. And at the same time, the pizza delivery ghost started moving towards her. As the ghost moved towards her, the pastor came from behind and tried to reduce the strength of the pizza delivery boy by reciting the holy mantra.
Hey, Pastor! What are you doing? Stop reading the gospel and go away from here. Otherwise, you will be killed.
Shut up. Now your game is over. Leave this girl. This girl is not at fault.
I will kill her today.
Please do something, Father.
What has happened to you that you are troubling this girl?
As soon as the pastor said this, the delivery boy became very quiet.
Want to hear what happened to me? So listen. Once a day, I was delivering pizza as usual. It was night time, and I got a call from my boss asking me to give the last delivery of the day. I was going to deliver near the same address, but
But what?
who might have thought that night would be my last night? When I went to deliver my last delivery that day, the boy opened the door and took all the pizzas. But when I asked him for money, he started beating me, and all his friends also started beating me. They beat me so much that I died, and after that, those boys threw me on a road. From that day onwards, I take every bachelor as my prey to get my revenge.
Look, I can understand it's so bad happened to you. But this girl has done nothing. Leave her. I will get you salvation.
When the pastor spoke to the delivery boy about salvation, the delivery boy felt a sigh of relief. And in no time, the pastor freed him. Sneha and many of the bachelors were saved.
Hello,
guys.
Do comment that how did you like this story?
Like this story and share it with your friends too.
Bye.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.